Hello beautiful people, how you are doing? Welcome back to another video. My name is Oluchi Lloyd. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're new here, hello and welcome. So guys, in today's video I just want to introduce Skin Clinic to you guys. Skin Clinic is a cream that contains and also is very good in keeping your skin shining the whole day. So this is a Skin Clinic tissue oil cream that contains special blend. It contains special blend, okay? It contains special blend. So guys, direction on how to use this cream. This cream is a very nice cream. This cream is a very nice one. Anyway, it's a winter cream. Yeah, it's a winter cream. And also you can use it in summer. It depends the country where you are. Some country, when it's summertime, you can notice. When it's winter also you can notice. So yes, this is how this cream works. This cream is a very nice cream. This cream is so good. You can apply it in the morning when you finish to take your bath, and also in the evening when you finish to take your bath you can apply it. So direction on how to apply this cream. Apply daily for long lasting release from the dry, and also chopped if your skin is chopped, and also it repairs. It repairs if your skin is chopped and you have a very dry skin. It repairs your skin. So it helps to reduce the sky, okay? It helps to reduce the scar tissue and the inflammation, and you reduce the stretch marks during the periods of your changes in the body size. So sometimes when you are big, you are fat, those stretch marks that you have. So when you apply this cream morning, day and night, this cream, or it reduce the stretch marks you have on your body and also the scar. It does not this cream does not remove it totally, but it reduce the appearance. Okay, Skin Clinic, my friend of mine applied this cream, so, and it really works. It really works. This cream works like fire. Okay, this cream really works a lot. So a friend of mine applied this cream and it worked for her, so I said let me just do the review. So for best results on how to apply this cream, you can also add bar oil on it if you want. If you want the result to come out very effective, to make it faster, add bar oil, okay, inside it. You can also mix with any other thing that you feel to use with it. You can also apply this cream on your face. You can also apply it on your face. A friend of mine, she used this cream. A friend of mine applies this cream, and the result of this cream really comes out very good. So her skin was so nice, very numbing. Her skin was so nice. Her skin looks so beautiful. So and I've taught you guys on how to apply it. Add some bar oil if you can, and you can also apply any other thing that you wish to apply on it. So it's white inside. It's just white. That I hope you guys can see. It's a white inside. It's a white cream inside. That is how it looks like. So this cream is made here in South Africa. Yeah, it's a South Africa product. So this cream is so good, guys. And if for those of you who have a stretch mark, that is the stretch mark is so big, and also it helps to reduce the appearance of your stretch mark, and also scar on your body, your neck, anywhere you have scar. It helps to reduce the appearance. All you have to do, whenever you finish to take bath, that is when you take it. Don't apply it when you never take a bath. It's only when you take a bath, because when you apply it and take bath, everything will wipe off. So all you have to do is, after taking bath, you just apply it anywhere you have stretch mark. This cream can also remove all the dark knuckles and all that. Anything that remove those things, that reduce those things, can also work for dark knuckles. You can try it. Skins are different. So guys, this is the end of this video. Let me know what you think below. like this video, share, and also subscribe to Package Beauty Remedies. Thank you so much and stay blessed. Bye bye.